Hi, I'm Tony Reed, Director of Culinary at Spiceology. Today we're here to talk about how Spiceology can support your K-12 school nutrition program.
And I'm Chef and Spiceologist Christian Gill. While Spiceology offers more than 300 plus ingredients and blends, in this video we're going to focus on the cost and time saving, nutrition requirement nailing, flavor enhancing spice juggernauts that are our salt-free blends.
This line of Spiceology products were created because of a special request from a California school district and the sodium requirement their nutrition program was facing.
Working with low to no sodium expert Chef Dwayne Sunwold and the National Kidney Foundation, we developed 17 unique, tasty, salt-free blends.
From global flavors like Indian masala, tandoori glory, and chamoy-inspired mango tango to the kiddo favorites like Really Ranch, this product line covers a wide variety of culinary styles.
And while we're two professionally trained and accredited chefs, who are super awesome, have great hair, and at least one of whom has beaten Bobby Flay with a sandwich, let's take a moment to demonstrate how Spiceology blends are easy to incorporate into a school kitchen.
This is Really Ranch. Inspired by our unofficial national condiment, this blend is the perfect combination of parsley, dill, roasted garlic, chives, and more. It's proof that you can lose the sodium without losing the flavor.
One of the key benefits of all Spiceology blends is the versatility they provide, meaning one blend can be used in a multitude of dishes. Really Ranch is no exception.
We know the school kitchens don't always have the time nor staff to tackle scratch cooking. So don't worry, the dish concepts we're about to share take into account how your culinary program might work. Think of this as a tasty, guaranteed consistency in a jar. An all-time school menu favorite gets a bit of a flavor boost when you add Really Ranch to the equation. We're talking mac and cheese. Add 1 pound of pasta to a quart plus a cup of milk and add heat. Cook together until the pasta is al dente. This is where you're gonna add that Really Ranch. Stir in about 3 to 4 tablespoons, but adjust. You want to get that desired flavor, and then remove it from the heat. You'll want to fold in your cheese to melt, and that's it. Schools with open campuses face competition from nearby fast food and quick service restaurants. A blend like Really Ranch is a great way to go head to head with trending dishes and increase your participation rates.
Move over Popeyes and Wendy's, meet the Really Ranch chicken sandwich. Really Ranch was added to both the chicken patty before cooking and mixed into the sauce. A bada bing, bada boom, I'll take a chicken sando, please.
And while our blends are really easy to add to the cooking process, there are multiple school districts that have set up Spiceology flavor stations. A flavor station features 4 to 5 products and offers students the chance to customize their meal with their favorite blends.
Imagine our friend Really Ranch as one of these seasonings, and kiddos just shake it on to create some sweet tater tots.
When asked why school food matters, the Chef and Foundation said, healthy school food is not only a solution for nutrition and health concerns, but social, academic, and environmental issues as well. It's important work that you do.
And Spiceology wants to help you pack more innovative flavor into every bite.
Reach out to your distro rep or contact sales@spiceology.com to learn more about how Spiceology can enhance your school nutrition program.
Period.